You know what they say, snitches get stitches, but also you shouldn't be talking to anyone about your case except your attorney. Day 6 of Donna Adelson's trial wrapped up on Friday, and after 26 witnesses, the state has rested its case. It's a great day for a great day. My name is Sydney Rushing. I'm a criminal defense attorney in the state of Michigan. Now let's talk about it. And in true fashion, court started off with a little bit of drama. Judge Everett told the peanut gallery to not visibly react when testimony was being given and to keep their composure. And then we jumped right back into it with none other than witness number 22, Special Agent Patrick Sanford. He's returning to the stand for his third day of testimony. He said that Katie wanted to agree to help law enforcement after she was convicted. Remember, she was offered immunity 2 times before she was convicted. He also presented the audio of plans to travel to Vietnam, and with Donna saying, there's no extradition. That is terrible. That is a major sign of guilty conscience. He also talked about Donna's famous arrest on the gangway at the Miami International Airport with her one-way ticket to Vietnam. If you recall, she was also slightly resisting during that and saying that she was calling her lawyer. She didn't want to give up her phone, but her phone was seized at that point. He discussed the search warrant and the search of Donna's condo and how they found a day planner with Dan's car info in it, aka they're trying to show that Donna monitored Dan's whereabouts, his cars, and his information, things like that. He did confirm that the pew-pew was never found. Defense had him agree that when Donna had something on her mind, she wrote it down. However, when Charlie had something on his mind, he could not shut up about it. And Donna often just responded with, yeah. And that's important because if you remember all of the prior calls, a lot of it was Charlie talking and Donna responding that way. So, essentially showing like that she was tuning him out. Not that she was agreeing with him, but just kind of like that was her way of responding to him. He agreed that there was not a warrant for Donna's arrest after the jailhouse call. And without a warrant, she was free to travel. He admitted that he could have arrested her earlier in the airport. However, he waited until she got into the gangway for whatever reason. He admitted that the Tallahassee Police Department held a press conference announcing the suspect and it leaked probable cause. There was no direct connection found between Donna and Riviera or Garcia. And Charlie claimed that he, Donna, and the checks were part of an extortion payoff. And something a little bit unusual happened. The jury was sent to lunch and Donna was sworn in because the judge wants it to be very clear on the record that she understands her lawyer's strategy in cross-examining the upcoming jailhouse informants and how it will fit in with their defense strategy. She said she understood and that she's cool with it. Then witness number 23, Detective Jonathan Grossman, was called to the stand. He's with the Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office. He assisted with Donna's arrest. He served a subpoena at her residence. He took some photos of the scenes. He conducted a search with an electronics canine. Who knew there was such a thing? And that the dog alerted to a laptop in the closet. He says he saw $100 bills in stacks, but he doesn't mention them being stapled or being in piles of 10 or anything like that, which is how this money was paid. We got into some of the juicy stuff. Witness number 24 was Patricia Bird. She is a jailhouse informant. She said that she shared a pod with Donna for 6 to 7 months. They talked every day, all day. She said they were friends and that Donna essentially said that she didn't expect it to go that far and that Donna said yes when asked if she did what she was accused of. That she did it for her grandkids, but it wasn't supposed to go this far. Donna wanted her to testify that Garcia had money and offered her gifts to give fake testimony. Defense had her look bad because she testified differently about how an investigator looked, whether he was white, whether he was black. She also said that she wasn't sure when she was asked that Donna told her that her only involvement was writing checks to Katie. She, of course, wasn't sure about that. She also said that of the 6 to 7 months that she was in that pod, she only slept next to Donna for maybe 3 or 4 months. Then witness number 25 took the stand, which is Drina Bernhardt, and she is also a jailhouse informant. She called Momma Donna her jail mom, and Donna lovingly called her sunshine. She provided Donna's jail art and notes and said that Donna often made her art. She said that she came forward at first for selfish reasons, aka she was trying to be benefited at Donna's detriment. She said that she was hoping for a lighter sentence or maybe rehab, but changed her tune, saying that she just wants justice for the Markle family. She said that Donna was worried about Rob's testimony. I would be too. Donna obviously had an action plan and wrote out a script for Drina to testify to, which included Katie extorting Charlie for money. She was offered monetary incentives, food, calls, cameras, $10,000 cash, a grand piano, and pills even. Was given instruction for using the Signal app and that she was to contact Harvey through the Signal app and that Harvey would pay her via Zelle. This ain't looking too good for Harvey at this point. Defense then pointed out her extensive criminal history with 27 convictions and that she was released due to her cooperation in this case. Defense also pointed out that she was rearrested for violating probation and was facing a mandatory 15 years, but if she made a deal with the state, which she did, she would not get that sentence. Momma Donna was her get out of free jail card, and she essentially said that she didn't have an answer for that. And that's what the defense needed to do with both these informants, is to show that they cannot be believed because their testimony is bad. Then witness number 26, Kate Butler, was called to the stand. She's a handwriting analyst. She said she has the highest confidence that the day planner sample and the script sample were both Donna Adelson's writing. She compared the structural characteristics, such as the curvature, spacing, and angles of certain letters to come to her opinion. Then witness number 17, Sergeant Christopher Corbett, was recalled to testify. He said that records show that Donna searched the difference between extortion and blackmail prior to Charlie's trial. He analyzed messages from Donna, Charlie, and Wendy. Donna texts people asking them to watch the opening statement of Charlie's trial because the truth is finally out. Donna texts Wendy saying, "You know I'm next, but I won't let that happen." She also told her after the verdict in Charlie's case that your brother has protected you for many years. Messages showed that Donna planned the trip to Vietnam after Charlie's conviction. Why she didn't get out of Dodge before then, I'll never know. He discussed the messages showing the communications about the visa chat and to stop Amazon packages. But who does that? You should have kept them coming because then it looks like you're coming back versus what she was obviously doing. Amateur hour. He said that Donna Googled a list of countries that don't extradite to the U.S. the day after the verdict came out. And bingo, Vietnam was chose same day. And she started an emergency visa request at that moment. He said there was no direct evidence of extortion or unaliving plans in the messages. And with that, after 26 witnesses and 6 days of testimony, the prosecution rests their case in chief. Now the defense will start their case in chief come Tuesday morning. And we will find out if Donna Adelson is going to testify or if she's going to exercise her Fifth Amendment right and remain silent. And that's your recap for day 6. Thank you for being here. Thanks for following along. And here is the question of the day. Do you think Donna Adelson should testify in her own defense, or do you think she should keep her mouth zipped? Let me know in the comments.